Okay, now I'm going to put on the mantles. You can use the Coleman 21As for 250 candle power, or the Peerless model 2CHG. I think the Peerless are a little bit more durable. They certainly look like it. So I'm gonna put these on. You can buy these from American Mantle. You can find them online at eBay or Amazon. eBay, you're gonna spend a bunch. There are cheaper places to get them. Old Coleman Parts is another one. So what I do is open up the mantle, put a finger in there. The finger acts like the burner tube. And I just kind of even out the drawstrings. Maybe loosen the drawstrings up a little bit so they're easier to make a knot. Put a few pleats in there to reduce the size of the opening. You're going to do a square knot. Okay, that's one half of the square knot. Put it over the burner tube. Tighten the one half of the square knot. You want it snug. If you try and tighten it, over tighten it, you'll just break the strings. I mean, the strings are pretty durable, but anyway, then you do the other half of the square knot. Then this is important. I don't have scissors, hang on. Cut these loose ends of the string off. Otherwise, what happens is when we prep the mantle, meaning burn it, pre-burn it before we light the lantern, these strings curl up and poke into the mantle and put a hole in the mantle. A hole in the mantle will act like a blowtorch, and it will blow flames out of that hole. And if it does it long enough, it'll ruin the glass globe. It'll put a big white spot on the glass globe. So cut these off, and don't burn a lantern with a hole in the mantle. Just go ahead and change the mantles, or don't burn it because you'll ruin your globe. Then the second one, same thing, just even out the strings, put a few pleats in there, loosen up the strings so they're a little easier to tie, do half a square knot, place it on the burner cap, ooh, come on, I told you I got real fumble fingers. Pull that half of the square knot tight, then do the other half of the square knot. And then cut off the tag ends. Now the mantles are installed.